Hi, I'm Maјk Papantoniio, and this is America's Lawyer. Last week, a grand jury in Pennsylvania released a report detailing one of the most shocking stories of sexual abuse to ever emerge from the Catholic Church, and that is saying a lot. The report shows that more than 300 priests in Pennsylvania engaged in assault of more than 1,000 victims over the course of nearly 70 years. This story has once again put the Catholic Church in the headlines for reasons that the Church had hoped you might have forgotten about. Tonight we'll tell you what this grand jury report contains and how the victims might be able to finally fight back. And later in the show, we'll speak with one of the leaders of SNAP, the Survivors Network of those abused by priests, about whether enough is being done by the Catholic Church to prevent future sexual abuse, and how clergy abuse survivors are tired of talk and ready to fight back. Don't go anywhere. America's Lawyer starts right now. For decades, the Catholic Church has been battling allegations that it had become a haven for pedophiles and sexual predators. And last week, a grand jury report from Pennsylvania was released that blew up the massive cover-ups and corrupt behavior that church officials and clergy members had helped engage in to keep these scandals completely from becoming public. What we know right now is that more than 300 different members of the Catholic Church in Pennsylvania over the course of 70 years sexually abused more than 1,000 individuals, nearly all of them young children. The church helped to cover up this criminal behavior with a playbook that helped individual churches keep these dirty secrets, while violators were just handed off to a different parish to abuse again. Joining me now to talk about this grand jury report and the Catholic Church's disgusting history of abuse is attorney Archie Lamb. Archie, start by telling us how widespread is this abuse problem? I mean, it seems like every year we hear the story, the media pays attention to it, and then it disappears. You've handled these cases. You're a bit of an expert in this area. Give us your take. How widespread is the problem?
Well, it's all over the world. We looked at Ireland, Australia, Chile, Dominican Republic over the last 10 years. All have had these massive discoveries of child abuse, pedophilia in the Catholic Church. And the playbook that they had to hide is obviously working. Only 2 cases out of these 1,000 victims, only 2 priests have been held accountable. Yeah,
you've seen the playbook. You've actually had to cross-examine about that playbook and some of the issues in the playbook. But I want to read something. I think this is important. This came from the report. This is just a part of the report. It said, despite a priest's admission to assaulting at least a dozen young boys, the bishop wrote to thank this priest for all that he's done for God's people. Really? I mean, have we gotten to that point to where the church has created a culture that has such little self-awareness that this has been perpetuated not just for decades, for a century? Tell me about your reaction to that. Here again, a priest admits to assaulting dozens of young boys, mostly under the age of 7, and the next thing we see is that the bishop is saying, thanks for all you've done for God's work. What's your take?
This has been nothing but, throughout the centuries, protection of property and money. That's it. They knew that they would be embarrassed in the community. They knew in the United States to be subject to civil and criminal punishment. And you know what that hurts? That hurts them at their core financial underpinnings. This is all this plan was, to protect the money of the Catholic Church from being held accountable for these crimes.
Okay, let me tell you the reaction that I've noticed over the years. When you talk to people that have been, say, to the Sistine Chapel, or they've been to Rome and they've seen this grandiose exhibit of the Catholic Church. I mean, this is Exhibit A of the Catholic Church. They walk away, and I've heard this so many times, and I've been there several times. And I ask myself the same question: what is this about? You've got something, billions and billions of dollars pumped into this culture, the house of the Pope, the Sistine Chapel, all of those trappings. And you ask yourself, where does that money come from? And your answer, part of the answer is, the goal is to keep that money. And the case, you handled a case, I recall years ago over in Mobile, And I recall in your discussion on that, when we talked about it, you said they just kept throwing money after money after money to keep it quiet. Talk about that just a minute.
Well, what it is indeed a systemic plan to hold off, cover up, in terms of the archbishop in that case came in to defend the priest that was clearly a pedophile because he didn't want to have to pay money in the case. When they do get caught, they will come into confidential settlements, and they will not disclose anything at all about those amounts of money they pay. But the tragedy here is there were 1,000 children abused that they knew about that are documented.
Yeah.
Only a couple of the priests got caught. And we know from having studied pedophilia that if you had 1,000 victims named, there are multiple thousands of victims out there that have still yet to come forward as a result of this.
Yeah, okay, so look, explain this playbook. I mean, you've cross-examined about it, you've seen, it really is a playbook. It is, if we find a priest that has sexually assaulted a parishioner, these are the things we do. Step 1, step 2, step 3. It begins by discredit the child who's been abused. Take it from there.
So what they do first is they don't hire investigators. They don't do any sort of legitimate investigation of the priest, number one. Number two, they put the blame on the victim. Number three, they refuse to use terms like rape or oral sex in any of the descriptions of the reports that they do. Number three, they ship them off to Catholic-owned and run recovery places, okay? Yeah. So that they sort of refurbish the priest, and then they will send them to a different parish and don't tell that parish of the proclivities of this priest to be a pedophile.
Archie, they even have talking points for the parents, don't they? They even have talking points where they're pleading with the parents, don't hurt the church. You've been a member of this church for so long. You're 3 generations in this church. You've always given money to the church. Let us take you to Rome to remind you. Let us have you walk around the Sistine Chapel to remind you what you're putting at risk if you don't get this under control. And get this under control means tell your child to hush. Haven't you seen that?
That's exactly right. And you see in many of the reports where the parishioners are interviewed, you don't see the outrage of what's happened to these children. What you see is the defense of the church. They say, well, the Catholics aren't the only ones that are doing this. Well, there are pedophiles outside the Catholic Church. There's no question about it. But it's an institution of pedophilia in the Catholic Church. And at some point, they have to face that.
It's become cultural. I mean, you almost look at this, men in black robes, men in white robes with pointed hats, and you go, has this become a cult? I mean, if you really... If you open up and you say, sometimes we have to talk about religion. Sometimes we have to abandon this fear that we have where it comes talking about religion. See, we're quick to call the Mormons a cult in Utah. But for some reason, we aren't willing to say that this whole Catholic Church thing, this little club of priests, that don't get married, that now we find that they're, abusing young children. We're afraid to say, has this become cultish in nature? When you handle the case, when you handle these cases, what's your reaction? Am I overstating this cult notion of a cult?
No, they use the people's faith to beat down objection institutionally. And they get away with it. It's worked. And this honestly, the tenor of the report of the grand jury as they write, and I've read most of the 800 pages, is, well, in 2002, they changed their ways. They really kind of have a handle on this now.
But did you buy that then? I didn't buy it then.
No.
And now we see that was a total lie, too. Look, I want to read this grand jury report is incredible. The grand jury notes example after example where child sexual abuse perpetrated by priests within Allentown. They said these examples highlight the wholesale institutional failure that endangered the welfare of children throughout this whole process in Allentown. So the church, and you got to say, these people who are still defending this, they're out, these are the, faithful followers. Well, they're still defending this. And what they're doing is they're putting these characters, these, abusive, psychological edge characters, they're putting them above the health of those children. And they've been doing that now for decades. They've been doing it for a century. And we have to say it's some 2 centuries, and we have to say, what does it take more criminal? Does it take more criminal prosecutions? I don't know how else you solve it.
No, there's self-analysis being done by those in the Catholic Church, critics that have had to deal with it and are trying to do something about it, and they say that the cardinals need to be flushed out of the system and start over.
Okay, and rather than flushing out the system, the Catholic Church right now, they're saying that their membership is dropping. Okay, that's what's happening to the Catholic Church. Membership is dropping. They're seeing that the people are willing to go into the priesthood are dropping. And so what they're finding is, if you really read between the lines, it is, we're willing to tolerate almost anything. And as you put it, it's all about the dollar. It's all about business, isn't it?
No question.
The type of abuse that just happened in this church was also, the entire church had to be complicit in what was happening in Pennsylvania. This doesn't happen and everybody say, well, gee whiz, we had no idea this was going on. I mean, how do you get there? You can't get there.
The recovery centers are in Baltimore. They're in New Mexico. They go to the same recovery center, and then they're shipped out to a different diocese in a different state, whether it's Texas, New Mexico. Many of the priests that perpetrated these crimes in Pennsylvania had been sent to New Mexico and to Texas and performed the same way there because this is a disease.
Right. Okay, there are places around the country, the places, when you handle these cases, you go to a place like Boston, it's such a huge Catholic influence. You go to places like Pennsylvania, huge influence. And what's happened, what's very apparent, is this is something that actually infects the politics, it infects law enforcement, it infects local politics, all the way down to commissioners, to where all of these people are willing to say, gee whiz, they made another mistake. We caught another sexual abusing priest who's been abusing children from what we can see for decades. They caught another one, but you know what? We have to stand tall for what they've done because they've built this memorial, they've built this school. We see that, and you saw it in the case that you handled right there in Mobile, didn't you?
And it's politically influenced. In other words, there's a reason that the statute of limitations give them so much freedom to go so long till the witness and the evidence is stale. I mean, the one gentleman's 83 years old. He's finally coming forward now. Right. They keep them paralyzed emotionally and culturally with the religion and the faith and shame. And it infects law enforcement, it infects politics and the way people look at them and the stigma associated with their church culture. I mean, it is a very thorough propaganda and a secret plan that has worked.
All I can tell you, Archie, is that it's going to take some people engaging in a perp walk. Law enforcement has got to get tough on this issue before anything really happens.
I agree.
Thank you for joining me.
Thank you, Mike.
Coming up, we'll speak to the leading abuse survivors group about how they're addressing this report. You don't want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What'd you have for breakfast yesterday? Why would you pick those shoes? How fast is your Wi-Fi? What's your dog's name? Why'd you name him that? What's your biggest fear in life? Ever been on a hayride? When's the last time you read a book? What would you say if you ever met the Pope? Who's the best quarterback of all time? What's one topping that doesn't belong on a pizza? Now, I've interviewed you too. Question more.
The feeling of freedom. Everyone in the world should experience freedom, and you get it on the open road. The world according to Jesse. Welcome to my world. Come along for the ride.
Tonight is a comedy news show that is not defanged by the corporate media. We can go after the corporations that destroy our lives, profit over people at every turn.
Redacted tonight for me is like medicine. It's like an antidote from all the stress that the news puts you under.
Redacted Tonight is a show where you can go to cry from laughing about the stuff that's going on in the world, as opposed to just regular crying.
We're going to find out what the corporate mainstream media is not telling you about, and we're going to filter it through some satirical comedic lenses to make it more digestible. That's what we do every week. Hard-hitting, radical comedy news like Redacted Tonight is where it's at.
The lengthy catalog of clergy sexual abuses by the grand jury report was extremely difficult to read, as the grand jurors note. Priests and other Catholic leaders victimized teens and children of all ages. But all of them were brushed aside in every part of the state by church leaders who preferred to protect the abuser and their institution above all else. Most especially, they wanted to protect money. To discuss this is Melanie Sakota, Secretary of the Board of Directors of SNAP, the largest, longest-running, and most active support group for women and men abused by religious and institutional authorities. Melanie, for 2 years, a grand jury in Pennsylvania investigated these abuse cases in 6 Roman Catholic churches across the state. They poured through 500,000 pages of church documents held in secret archives. This was an extraordinary cover-up that went on for decades. This is, though, what you're used to seeing, isn't it?
Exactly. We think this is happening everywhere that the Catholic Church operates.
Well, it operates in a large part because they really have developed a system for doing this, haven't they? I mean, if you were to call on your experience on how they go about operating like this, how would you describe it? If you were to just to kind of give us a thumbnail sketch on how they engage in these cover-ups, what would your take be on that?
I think that it's their standard operating procedure that the bishops know that if some scandalous information comes to them, they are supposed to keep it quiet, put it in their secret file, and cover it up. And until that changes, we're not going to see any real solution to this problem.
Well, is this a meaningful moment at all? I mean, where it comes to what's happened here, do you think this really changes anything about the way that the Catholic Church does business versus what the Catholic Church should be doing to protect children going forward? What is your take on that? I mean, you know, we see that every time we see one of these stories, we kind of wait for that moment that, you know, there's a sea change now. We're really going to expect something tremendous to happen. What is your take in that regard, having done this for so long?
I don't think we should be waiting for the church to do something. They've had all this time, and they haven't done anything. I think what people who are still part of the Catholic Church should be doing is they should vote with their feet and with their wallets. And I think that may bring some attention to it. I don't know that if it will change the policies that are coming down from the very top. But hopefully, because what you need is you need a policy that says, no, you don't put this stuff in the secret files. You send allegations of criminal behavior, you take them to the police, and if they're, and you let the people in the parish know that this is what you have done.
Yeah, tell us a little bit about SNAP so people understand what SNAP is and why you're out there, and tell us about anything that you think you've been able to accomplish with SNAP in pushing back, not just the Catholic Church, but in really across the board in all religions. What do you think you've accomplished, and tell us a little bit about your organization.
SNAP is a network of survivors and people who support them. We hold, in various parts of the country, we hold peer-to-peer support groups so that people can come, they can share their stories, they will know that the people there will understand and believe them, and the people that come will know that they are not alone. We also have an advocacy arm, which is, we have people doing media events as they've been doing in Pennsylvania yesterday and today, and that, I think, is an important part of what we do because we let people know that we're out there. We let survivors know that they're not alone. And that includes all survivors, not just those in the Catholic Church. And I think this has had an impact. I think we're finding a little bit that people are coming forward at earlier ages, and as we get our name out there, people know that we're a group that they can come to. Now, we're not the only one, but we are one of the groups that they can come to for help and support as they just come forward, or if they want to pursue some sort of action against their perpetrator or the people who may have covered up for their perpetrator.
Melanie, one of the things that came out of this report was how the different priests sharing information about victims, it paints an image. There just wasn't one single abuser, but really there's no other way to describe it as a systemic network, okay? I mean, that's the way I see this. Has that been your experience when SNAP has been involved in other cases? Do you kind of see the systemic nature to this entire thing? And I don't guess the systemic networking that came out in this report surprises you, does it?
No, and I think I think it was last year what you had on Netflix. You had the very fine documentary called The Keepers, which documented the systemic abuse of girls at a Catholic high school in Baltimore. So this is not something unusual. I mean, it doesn't happen. Not all of the abusers network, but some of them do.
You know, Pope Francis' response to the grand jury report has been to address the problem in a way that's really never been done before. I mean, you have to admit there's something different about what he said, but as he was saying it, you know, again, I read the grand jury report, and I don't come away, I'm not really moved by the idea that we're going to see much change in this monstrosity, this money monstrosity that has been built called the Catholic Church. But what is your take on what the Pope did?
You know, I think the only thing that I noticed is I was very happy that he called these activities what they are. They're criminals, they're crimes, it's criminal behavior. So that was a step forward, because usually they're referred to as sins. And, you know, everybody may do things that are wrong, but not everybody is a criminal. So that was very, you know, was a step forward. But otherwise, where is the action? You know, in 2002, when the Boston Globe revealed all the problems in the Archdiocese of Boston, Cardinal Law was removed. But what happened? He got a cushy job at the Vatican. When he died a year or so ago, he got a priest's funeral. You know, he was honored. That's what needs to change.
Nothing really has changed as I've watched this. Do you think the Catholic Church is reforming in any way, Melanie? I mean, do you really think that they're reforming in any way?
My take is no. I mean, they have policies and procedures, but policies don't protect children. Actions are what protects children, and that's what you need to do. You need to have action, and you need to start removing those people who are covering it up, or if it's a policy, if they're simply doing what they're supposed to, then you need to change the policy, and you need to make sure that this doesn't happen.
I'm interested to see your reaction to this. Harrisburg Bishop Ronald Gaynor spoke at a Mass this week, and he asked for forgiveness. Let's listen. I want to see your reaction to this.
In the name of our local church, I voice again my heartfelt sorrow and sincere apology to all survivors of clergy sexual abuse. The practical changes to avoid repeating the sad and troubling past are in place and are being faithfully observed and will continue to be improved in our diocese.
What's your reaction?
I'm not going to hold my breath and believe it. They have to show me. Yeah. You know, they have to start, you know, if they really want to do it, they release all their files.
Well, I think everybody listening to that has to react the same way. Melanie, thank you for joining me. Keep up the work with SNAP. It's more now than ever. We really need your engagement in all this. And finally, some good news, if you can call it that, as Pope Francis begged for forgiveness for the pain suffered by victims of sexual abuse at the hands of Catholic priests and demanded accountability. saying the decades-long abuse and cover-ups must be rooted out of the church. In a letter to Catholics around the world this week, the Pope blasted the self-referential clerical culture that's been blamed for the crisis, which church leaders seemingly more concerned for the reputation than safety of children. That seems to be the picture here. But in the letter, Pope Francis wrote this: I acknowledge once more the suffering endured by many minors due to sexual abuse, the abuse of power and the abuse of conscience perpetrated by a significant number of clerics and consecrated persons. Looking ahead to the future, no effort must be spared to create a culture able to prevent such situations from happening, but also to prevent the possibility of their being covered up and perpetrated. The Vatican officials said it was the first time a pope has written to all the world's 1.2 billion Catholics about sexual abuse. Past letters had only been addressed to bishops and the faithful in individual counties. That's all for tonight. Be sure to check out our website at al.law, where you can talk with an attorney about any of the stories we cover on the show. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/RT America's Lawyer. You can also watch all RT America programs on DirecTV on 321. I'm Maјk Papantoniio, and this is America's Lawyer, where every week we tell you the stories that corporate media is ordered not to tell because their advertisers won't let them. Have a great night.